Hi everyone, welcome to Wellnest. This is the first video of a 3-part video series in which we cover the importance of a healthy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of a healthy breakfast. Why is it so crucial, and what benefits can it bring to your daily life? And how can it affect your overall health? Let's dive in. Importance of a healthy breakfast. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But do you know why? Eating a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. It provides the energy and nutrients your body needs to function properly. Let's explore some key reasons why a healthy breakfast is essential, backed by research and studies. 1. Boosts energy levels. After a long night of fasting, your body needs fuel to get going. A balanced breakfast helps replenish your glucose levels, providing you with the energy to start your day strong. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people who eat breakfast tend to have more stable energy levels throughout the morning compared to those who skip it.
Imagine starting your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits.
It's packed with complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, keeping you fueled until lunchtime.
Plus, oats are a great source of fiber, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels.
2. Enhances concentration and performance. Studies have shown that eating breakfast can improve memory, attention, and cognitive function. This is especially important for children and teenagers as they were more active, but it's beneficial for adults too. A study by the University of Leeds found that people who ate breakfast had better cognitive performance, particularly in tasks that required attention and memory. Try starting your day with a smoothie made from berries, spinach, and yogurt. Berries, for example, are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to improve brain function. The vitamins and antioxidants help keep your mind sharp and focused. 3. Supports weight management. Eating a nutritious breakfast can support weight management. Skipping breakfast often leads to overeating later in the day, especially on unhealthy snacks. A study in the journal Obesity found that people who ate breakfast regularly were more likely to maintain a healthy weight compared to those who skipped it. Something like this avocado toast on whole grain bread is a perfect choice. It's filling and packed with healthy fats that keep you satisfied. Plus, avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. 4. Provides essential nutrients. A healthy breakfast provides essential nutrients that your body needs. Many breakfast foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber.
Skipping breakfast means you're likely missing out on these vital nutrients, which make you feel tired and sleepy.
According to a study of the American Dietetic Association, breakfast eaters tend to have higher intakes of essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and B vitamins. Consider adding a glass of fresh orange juice to your breakfast routine. It's a great source of vitamin C, which is important for your immune system. Pair it with some eggs for protein, and you'll have a balanced meal that covers various nutrient needs. 4. Creates healthy eating habits. When you start your day with a nutritious meal, you're more likely to continue making healthy choices throughout the day. A study from Harvard School of Public Health suggests that regular breakfast eaters are more likely to have a diet that includes more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Remember, breakfast isn't just about eating, it's about nourishing your body and setting a positive tone for the day ahead. So there you have it, the importance of a healthy breakfast and how it can benefit you in so many ways. I hope this inspires you to make breakfast a priority in your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Wellnest for more health and lifestyle tips. Check out our next video on how important lunch is. Remember, your journey to wellness starts here.